Amasya Castle, a.k.a. Harşene Castle, is a fortress located in Amasya, northern Turkey. The castle is located north of Amasya and the river Yeşilırmak on the steep rocks called Mount Harşene. It was attacked, ruined, changed hand and restored many times in the history during the Persian, Roman, Pontic and Byzantine era. The castle was severely ruined during the battles between the Romans and Pontics. It was substantially restored after the conquest of Amasya by the Ottomans in 1075, and remained in use until the 18th century when it lost its military importance. The castle has 8 level defensive emplacements outside the castle down to the Yeşilırmak bank. The top-level fortification is constructed in ashlar masonry while the defensive walls are made of rubble masonry. Named Cilanbolu, a rock-carved gallery is situated in the middle of the castle. The underground stairway in 181 meters length, with 8 meters diameter having 150 steps leads downward. Downside of the castle, ruins of a bastion and a mosque are situated. On the southern hillside, there are ruins of the Kızlar Sarayı used during the Ottoman period. At about 20 to 25 meters height, 18 big and small tombs of the Pontic kings from the 3rd century BC are carved in limestone rock on a plain wall. The castle has 4 gates, named Helkıs, Saray, Maydonos, and Maiden. It includes dungeons, a cistern and a well. On about 800 meters of the ancient fortress walls along Yeşilırmak, typical Amasya houses, hammams and mosques were built, fleeing the invading troops of Timur. Then Ottoman Çelebi Mehmed I took refuge in Amasya Castle.